welcome, guys. Welcome. Hope everyone had a great trading day today. All right, let's go over the markets. All right, guys. The Dow was down. So the Dow was down here, 213 points down for the day. Nasdaq was up. All right. S&P was up. Russell was down. All right. Russell was down. As far as big picture, let's go through big picture. All right. So the Dow, guys, retracing from its all-time highs. All right. So here's the all-time highs right here on the Dow. A bit of a pullback. All right. Pullback right here, but still holding. All right. Buy signal here, still holding firm. Okay. The S&P, right, holding above resistance here, all-time highs. That's good. Nasdaq. All right, breaking resistance here. That's good on the NASDAQ. All right, all green candles here, all-time highs. All right, and this is on the weekly time frame. So we got 3 weeks here, all right, where we are trading all-time highs territory on the NASDAQ. Russell still holding. All right, buy signal here, a ways. All right, long way to go from the all-time highs, but this is encouraging for the Russell. Buy signal here, and it's holding firm right here. All right, the dollar index consolidating. All right, dollar index, dollar here is consolidating right here, and then pound yen continuing to make new highs, guys. Look at this, pound yen buy signal here. Look at that, all green candles. Nice move higher here in pound yen. Again, on the weekly time frame, so we're seeing all-time highs on the pound yen. All right, Bitcoin. Let's take a look at Bitcoin right here. Bitcoin is holding. All right, so Bitcoin is holding right at 68,000. All right, so it's above that 64,000 mark. All right, that we've been talking about, resistance right here. So it is at 68,000. If Bitcoin needs to move higher, all right, if it wants to move higher, it's got to get past 73,000. That's the all-time high on Bitcoin. Okay, so just be aware of that. All right, current positions in Monster Scalper. Let's go through those positions. Current positions in Monster Scalper. Okay. All right. On the 60-minute time frame, 60-minute time frame. So CAD yen, guys, CAD yen buy signal here. All right. All right. Pullback. Right. Here's your pullback right here. It held. Pullback right here. Still holding firm. All right. Heard from a few of you trading CAD yen. Good job. All right. Good job. You guys, if you guys are trading CAD yen, good job. Those of you trading CAD yen. All right. I know this is hard on these pullbacks here. All right. Right here and right here. Good job though. Okay. CAD yen. ZAR yen. All right. Great trade going here with ZAR yen. Buy signal was here. We did get a red candle. Got back in right about in this area here. All right. Good trade going here. Target on ZAR yen all the way up here. All right. ZAR yen target all the way here. Nice candles here. And then pound yen. All right. Great trade going here with pound yen, guys. Buy signal here. All right. Moving up nicely here. Pound yen. All green candles. Look here. All green candles. Moving up nicely there. Pound yen on the 60-minute time frame. All right. These are on the 60-minute time frame. All right. Pound ZAR. All right. Pound ZAR, guys. Closed. Buy signal was here on a break of resistance. Price broke support right here. Broke support here. Sell signal. Close the trade, please. All right. So pound ZAR. Buy signal here, right here, right here. Right. Failed. Broke support. Should be out here. If you're getting out down here, that's too late. Should be out right here on a break of support. All right. Pound ZAR Close that trade, please. Pound dollar, that trade also closed. All right, so buy signal here on a break of resistance. Broke support right here. Red candle, sell signal. That's your white arrow right here. Close the trade, please. Pound dollar, close the trade. All right. Pound HKD, you guys should notice these pound pairs are closing. All right. All right. Pound HKD. Hold on. All right. We'll come back to pound HKD. Pound SGD closed, guys. Buy signal here. Broke support. Red candles. Those are your sellers. All right. Support is right here. All right. Close the trade, please. All right. GBP SGD. Close that trade. Monster scalper 60-minute time frame. All right. Pound Swiss also closed. All right. Buy signal was here. Didn't move that far. All right. Previous resistance becomes support right here. Broke support, red candle, sell signal, white arrow here. Close the trade, please. Okay. So pound Swiss, close the trade. Still no data yet on pound HKD, but we can look at that price action here and we know to close that trade. So all the pound pairs, guys, close the trade. New Zealand CAD also closed. All right, we want to get out of these trades quickly, guys. Buy signal was here on a break of resistance. Previous resistance becomes support. Okay, so hit support, sell signal. Go ahead and take that small loss. That price comes down lower. That loss can get large. All right, so New Zealand CAD, close that trade, please. All right, Aussie CAD, same thing. Buy signal here on a break of resistance. All right, hold on. Buy signal here. Very, very choppy trading here, guys. But we can manage, even when they're choppy. If we follow the rules, we can manage these trades. All right, so Aussie CAD. Buy signal here on a break of resistance. Failed. Hit support, sell signal. So bought here, sold here. Go ahead and close the trade. All right. Aussie CAD, close the trade, please. All right. Euro dollar. All right. Buy signal here. Notice these trades are closing. All right. So something is going on with this market. All right. So buy signal here on a break of resistance. Broke support. Red candles coming in. Close the trade, please. All right. All right. This might set up to be a good short. Well, we'll look at short opportunities this evening. Okay. So euro dollar, close that trade, please. All right. 60-minute time frame. All right. USD HKD. All right. Long. We do have it on the short, but we've closed the short, and we'll take a look at that. But the long, we've called a long trade here. We send those out. All right, already. All right, so those are the longs on the 60-minute in Monster Scalper. All right, let's take a look at the short. We've got one short. Currently. Okay. All right, so USD HKD. All right, buy to cover here. So here's your sell short. And we talked about the dollar, guys. The dollar index might move higher. All right. And so we've seen the dollar get a bid. All right. Move higher today. So USD HKD, sell short signal here. We're hoping for a move lower in the markdown phase. Buyers came in here, right? Green candles here, white candles, sell signal, broke resistance right here, guys. This is resistance here. Had to cover. So buy to cover USD, HKD short. Close that trade, please. All right. All right. That was the only short. All right. Long positions, monster scalper on the 240-minute time frame. Okay. 240-minute time frame or our 4-hour chart. All right. All right, SGD JPY, SGD JPY, buy signal here, guys, on a nice break of resistance. All right, yen pairs is still holding. All right, stick with them. All right, buy signal here, nice price action. Look at that, all green candles moving higher. All right, we need to break the highs. Wouldn't call this resistance, just a high here. Looks good to get past that area. SGD JPY. KD, JPY, buy signal here, good resistance here, right? Held, previous resistance becomes support, right? Moving higher right now. We're getting past that purple support and resistance, which means higher highs, higher lows. But guess what? We're getting past it right now. Next target, let's put it up here, all the way up here. All right, this is just the high right up here. Okay, let's see if we can make it. USD, JPY, same thing, guys. Buy signal here, moving up nicely. Great candles here. Target here. So the yen pairs currently, that's the best trade in forex right now. All right. USD, JPY, CAD yen. All right, CAD yen buy signal here. Previous buy signal failed. Right, bought here at resistance, so that support, got a second chance at it. All right, buy signal here, right on a break of resistance, right here. All good candles. Look at that. Green candles, higher highs, moving up nicely. Target all the way up here. All right, that's CAD yen and pound yen, guys. Look at pound yen. Pound yen has gotten past resistance in here, past that target here. Just an amazing trade. Great job with our traders. Several of you guys are on this trade. Good trade. Amazing job sticking with it. And again, pound yen, guys, is the biggest mover, most volatile pair, right, in all of forex. And trading it really, really, really well. All right. Some of you held on the pullback right here. All right. We know that's difficult to do, but guys held and moving up nicely. Pound yen, great trade. And we looked at the big picture on pound yen. Pound yen is making big highs. All right. So good job there. Euro yen will tend to follow pound yen. Buy signal here, moving up nicely, getting past resistance. Well, the high right here. All right. And all green candles. And if you look here, right, they're just holding right here, looking to break through, right? All right. That would be ideal if they break through. New Zealand CAD, buy signal here, holding firm. Two great previous trades. Current trade doing well. New Zealand CAD, New Zealand dollar, all right, also looks really good. A bit of a pullback right now, but holding firm. All right, let's bring this here. All right, so we need to stay above resistance here on New Zealand. This is New Zealand dollar. All right, so broke resistance, buy signal, a bit of a pullback, but holding firm there, New Zealand dollar, and then New Zealand CAD right here. Dollar ZAR. All right, dollar ZAR close. Okay, dollar ZAR close. So about here, buy signal here on a break of resistance, broke support right here, red candle, sell signal, close that trade, please. All right. So dollars are, we were looking for a move in the ZAR pairs, but they fail. All right. They're failing. All right. Pound ZAR. Let's remove these. Pounds buy signal here, guys, on a break of resistance right here. Broke support. If you bring that line right here, right over here, sell signal right here, sell signal, close the trade. So bought here, sold here, little profit. Good markdown phase. That's too bad because we had a target all the way up here. Okay, so pounds close that trade. All right. And Eurozar. So the ZAR trade, that trade is over. Eurozar buy signal was right here. Red candle. Broke support right here. Close the trade. Okay. So Eurozar close the trade. This is under 240 in Monster Scalper. Okay. So close those trades, please. Pound dollar. Pound dollar holding firm, guys. Look at pound dollar. All right. We'll see if it holds. Just remember the dollar index moves higher. We put pressure, all right, on the pound dollar, New Zealand dollar also. Okay. All right. But trade what's in front of you. Okay. So buy signal here, all green candles, we can certainly see buyers continue to move higher. So, sometimes these pairs will take a break for the day and then, right, pull back following day, right? Continue to move in the direction of the overall trend. Okay. All right. So euro dollar, right? Euro dollar buy signal here. It's pulling back, white candles. All right. So here's your resistance. Buy on a break of resistance, guys. And here is your trend. Here is your markup phase. Choppy trading in that markup phase. Okay. So what we'd like to see, white candles here, we'd like to see buyers come on back, test the resistance here. Now this is strong resistance. This is where we've got sellers. All right. So sellers are here, 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 here. And right now they're trying to come in here. So hopefully buyers can fight against this and push the price higher. If you get a red candle or sell signal, close the trade, please. All right. All right. That's euro dollar. So that's it for Monster Scalper. Let's take a look at stocks. Now, stocks were down today. Let's check out the buy signals, see if our buy signals are still holding on the daily time frame. All right, well, this is not good. On the Dow, we've got a red candle here that closed today, okay? All right, so red candle closed today, that we count those red candles as sell signals, okay? So if we get a green candle tomorrow, we might change our mind. What's encouraging is we do have on the S&P right here still holding firm, and the S&P was up. Nasdaq is right here. This is what caused this. So S&P is holding, Nasdaq, right, really holding well. Russell got a bounce today. Okay, so just the Dow, but the Dow sometimes can lead us out, all right, into a correction or vice versa. Okay, so not a major concern because it's only the Dow right now with a red candle, a big down day, and I think Friday was I believe Friday was a down day also. Friday or Thursday. I think Thursday was right here. So just keep that in mind. VIX is below 12, right? 12.9, below 13, 12.92. That's not bad. That's low volatility. We can't complain about that. Most of the indexes, most of the sectors are up here. Okay, most of the sectors are up. So that's still good. And the indexes here are all up. All right, so let's go right into Stock Boss. See how stocks did today. Okay. All right. So we'll look at Stock Boss Bullmaster and Bullmaster Pro this evening. All right, so AMC, guys, AMC made a move today. All right, so encouraging for AMC. Buy signal was here. You guys remember this? Made a big move up, settled right here. Now we've got resistance right here. So we're going to move this here. So we need that price to get back above resistance, start moving higher again. All right, but very encouraging price action today. All right, on AMC. GameStop did really well. All right, here's your mark up, mark down. Right here. All right, and now GameStop. All right, so GameStop, guys, we were hoping to get this in GameStop. All right, we were hoping to get a big move, big recovery, and we did get that with GameStop. All right, so price came down, guys. All buy signal here is 1553. Right, we remember this, but guys, GameStop, AMC, they can do this. All right, this is not a traditional type of trade where we trade in a trend. All right, we're just trading volatility. These retail traders are trading this. All right, and so we're going to trade it similar to how we did a few years ago. All right, buy signal here, 1571. All right, made it all the way, guys, up to about 64, came all the way down. All right, closed on Friday right at 1787. Right, this was a concern. Right, if it moved lower, closed that buy signal. But guess what? Gapped up this morning. All right, made a move all the way up to 26, settled at 23 with the Dow down like this. That's not bad, right? Nasdaq was up, but did a good job. So we needed to continue to move higher. Okay, continue to move higher. All right. ORGN, that's holding. Okay, buy signal here at 64 cents. These are small caps. All right, a little pressure on the Russell, but the Russell is picking up. All right, trading at 102 today on a close. Good job here. All right, good buy signal. ALLK, that's holding. All right, CDMO, buy signal here, holding. Markdown phase, this is your discount right here. All right. Right, needs to get past that resistance. This is your markup phase. Here, drawing your lines. All right. EBS. All right. Holding firm here. All right. EBS. ME. All right. ME, guys, is consolidating between support and resistance. No concern here. I know it's hard when these trades pull back like this. Okay. But we've got support here, holding support. All right. All right. If anyone is in it, this is encouraging. We've got higher lows coming in. I know these are white consolidating candles here, but we've got higher lows. So it is moving higher. We need to get back to that resistance. All right. Get past these sellers. Move higher. ME. All right. ADTN. All right. Same thing here. Look at this, guys. All right. Good markdown phase. That's your discount. This fell from about $24, trading at $5. Good markdown phase. Let's draw it in. Look at that. Beautiful markdown phase. And this is only the first leg. All right. And here's our buy signal here on a break of resistance, 572, $5.72. Right, came all the way down, made support at 515. But look at this. This is what we like. This is encouraging here. Big candle here. All right, so buyers up, back in. We need to break resistance here. Let's bring in that resistance line. We have it here, but we'll firm it up right here. We just need to see that breakthrough. Okay, so ADTN. All right, MAXN, good markdown phase. Look at that, guys. Fell from 34, 37 was it? Hold on. 30, almost 39. 30, yeah, 38 and change. All right, good discount for us. All right, buy signal came in right at 355, better than 38. All right, buy signal came in there. Retrace pullback. This is where we get out, guys. All right, we struggle to hold. So, right, held, made support. Now it's moving higher. Okay. All right. MAXN, that's holding. And same thing with TAK. All right, TAK buy signal here. And we've got a target. Hold on. All right, we have a target all the way up here at $10. Trading here $7. Okay, not a great risk reward, but hey, we'll take that. Okay, all right, all right. So that's stock boss. Now bull master. Okay, large cap stocks. NEP. We'll go through these quickly. NEP, that's holding. All right, RCL, Royal Caribbean. All right, buy signal here. Look at that price action, guys. All right, now these large cap stocks tend to hold much better. Now, when we take a look at Bullmaster Pro with fundamentals, those stocks really hold. Okay, all right, so RCL, buy signal here. That's reaccumulation. Okay, moving up nicely. Buy signal here. Break resistance. Reaccumulation. CLS. All right, great trade going here, guys. Look at the previous trades here. Let's open it up. These large cap stocks, that's why we are focusing more on equities and stock bar and equities and forex. Look at the trades here. All right, so bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here. Look at this. Really good trading here. All right, bought here, sold all the way up here. So when it's trading like this with the system, boy, we can keep trading it long, follow that trend. Bought here, sold here. All right, bought here, sold here. Look at the trades with CLS. And the current trade, bought here on a break of resistance right here. Just amazing trading, guys. All right. So broke resistance. So bought here, sold here. Last trade, waited, right? Gapped up, broke resistance, buy signal, all green candles. Look at these candles here. Perfect trading. All right. So anyone caught this trade, CLS, good job. All right. CRWD, same thing here. Buy signal here, moving up nicely. Look at the previous trades. All right. Remember, bull master, large caps, guys. Large cap stocks. Those will move and they tend to do well in reaccumulation phases. Okay. GNRC. So we need to get past resistance right here, which we are. We're getting past resistance by signal here, holding. HOOD, that's holding, right? Resistance is right here. Reaccumulation here. So new buyers are entering the market, okay? So no, we're not down deep in the markdown phase, reaccumulation phase. Bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here, buy signal here, okay? HOOD. All right, looks good. Let's go through these. MNDY, that's holding firm. All right, MPWR, that's holding reaccumulation. NTX, NTNX holding reaccumulation. Buy signal was here. All right, great trade going here. Right here. Look at the previous trade, guys. Really good trade. Pay attention to how your system, right, is trading. All right. Great trade going there. PSTG, all right, reaccumulation. Here we go again. Buy signal here, right? Broke resistance, choppy in here, but good trading there. All right. Early breakout there. All right. Reaccumulation, WIX. All right. ANF. All right. Good trade, guys. Look at this. Bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here. Right, reaccumulation. Just remember, reaccumulation on a break of resistance, which is right here. That means new buyers are now entering the market. All right, nice V right here. Buy signal here, moving higher. Great trading there. ANF. All right, GOGO. Right, markdown phase there. Netflix, NFL. X. All right, great trading here. Bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here, buy signal here, breaking resistance, reaccumulation trade right here. Great trading by the system. Okay. All right. CR and X. Keep an eye on this one. Okay. Now we've got this is reaccumulation. Buy signal here on a break of resistance right here. Now it's pulled back. All right. Now it's pulled back. Now it's holding that trend line right here, right here, right here, right here. It's pulled back to that trend line here. So all we need, right, what we hope for is buyers could come back in tomorrow, test resistance again, and now move higher. Okay. So no major concern yet. We need some buyers to come in. Green candles, those are our buyers to come on back in, right? Keep moving higher. CRNX. All right. Same for KURA. Great. Look at that. Bought here, sold here. Here is our resistance. Right about here. Buy signal came here. It is holding that trend line. So bring in your lines so you frame your trade, guys. Otherwise, it just looks like a complete mess. Okay, so bring in your lines, bring in your trend lines. Okay. All right. So holding firm here. Right. Look here. Buyers try to come in today. White candle. This is always bullish. All right. Think of your white candle as neutral, right? We don't have buyers, we don't have sellers. So it's just neutral, waiting, right? Waiting for the next move. Green candle trying to come in here today. That's encouraging. Okay. So KURA, that's holding. All right. NVCR. All right. Good trading here. Look at the risk reward. This one fell from about 120. Good markdown phase here. All right. Good discount. Buy signal came in at 16 and change. Close today, 22. Target, if we can make it all the way up here, 75. All right. But good price action. Only concern here, we have purpose, support, and resistance here. Okay. So just keep an eye on it. Not a major concern. All your candles here are green. So we just hold on. All right. All right. All right. PTGX, right? Reaccumulation phase. Look at this. Beautiful markdown phase. Buy signal, right? Here we are again at resistance. Resistance is here. Here. This is where sellers came in. And here we are. So we need to stay above resistance right here. What number is that? $30. Okay, so PTGX needs to hold above 30. Okay. All right. JXN, buy signal here, still holding firm, right? JXN been doing well, right? That buy signal came in, when was that? Since February, guys, and it's been holding ever since. Okay. Great trade going there. CEIX. All right. This has a long, right, nice pullback, long pullback. Normally, they're not this deep. Okay. So let's draw it in here. All right, so here's your markdown phase, markup phase. So we wouldn't call this, it's so deep, we wouldn't call it reaccumulation, okay? All right, buy signal here, moving up. The high resistance is here. If it could get past that resistance, we could see it move much higher there, okay? All right, a few more in Bullmaster. Then we'll look at Bullmaster Pro, and then we'll be done, guys. All right, IRBT, good markdown phase, buy signal. This one here is just right holding here. No major concern. It is a pullback, right? Pullback here, right? We need buyers to come on back in, all right? This is where, right, most of the time, this will get us out of the trade. We look at it a few days later, all of a sudden it's up here and we are not in the trade, all right? So hold on to it, all right? We'll know when it's done. AESI, buy signal here, reaccumulation, guys, look at this, all right? Markdown phase, all right? Bought here, sold here, all right? Here is where sellers are sitting. We got a nice buy signal here. Hopefully this time we can break out, have another decent trade right there. AES. All right, BNV, same thing. Reaccumulation. Look at the trades, guys. Pay attention to the type of trading, right, in Bullmaster. All right, with these large cap stocks. Great trades. This one went from, what's that? 892 all the way up to 1528. Buy signal here at 17 and change. Here we are, close today, 18 and change. Gapped up today too. So good price action. BVN. All right, UNG, good markdown phase. Buy signal came in at 1630. First target, 28, holding firm. A bit of a pullback, but holding there. All right. Now, Bullmaster Pro with fundamentals. These are strong stocks. All right. Good fundamentals. All right. Good trade here. AVGO first trade. Well, first trade was right here, which was a small loss. Bought here, sold here. All right. Let's see here. What was here? All right. All right. Nothing much there, but good trade here. All right. Bought here, sold here, bought here, right? Looking to break through that resistance, reaccumulation in Bullmaster Pro with fundamentals. Same thing here, Microsoft, all right? Microsoft, look at the previous trade, guys, for Microsoft. All right, bought here, sold all the way up here, buy signal here, and just holding to break through, get past sellers that are sitting right here at resistance, okay? Now, market's still holding even with the Dow, given a red candle today. All right, still holding. We'll see if buyers can come in this week. Okay, Nvidia. All right, big day on Nvidia. Nvidia is at 1139, guys. Amazing. I think it was the only stock in the Mag 7 that was up today. Just very, very strong. Buy signal here, bought here, sold here. All right, bought here, buy signal came in here. All right, this was last week at 1,016, trading at 1139. Very strong stock here. Carver, all right, Carver, new IPO, right? Bought here, sold here, right? Reaccumulation, buy signal here, moving up nicely here. Carver, ACGL, another reaccumulation trade, guys. All right, we won't see a lot of these type of trades in stock boss. All right, mainly in Bullmaster Pro, this reaccumulation phase. Now, at some point, if the Russell picks up, really start to move for small cap, we might see this. All right, ACGL, bought here, sold here, bought here, right? Broke resistance, reaccumulation, right? New buyers coming in. ACGL, good trade going here. All right, ASPN, another great trade, guys. All right, broke resistance here, reaccumulation trade. Look at that. Amazing price action. Great trade right here. And the last one, and we'll be done. HWKN, buy signal here, right here. Big candle here. Look at the previous trades in the markup phase. This is reaccumulation. Let's draw it out. All right. Here's your trend. All right. Bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here. Buy signal here on a break of resistance. Good price action there. All right, guys. So great trading, both in Stock Boss, Bullmaster. All right. We're going to focus moving forward these two markets. That's what's moving. And also our US 30 traders. We can't forget about the US 30. So we called a short. Now, this short was a little late, okay, but it still looks good, right? Good shorts here. What we're looking at on the US 30, this is the Dow now. We know we got a red candle on the Dow, all right? So on the daily time frames, guys, red candle here, and we've got a red day current right now, the futures market. We've got a big support area right here. All right, so if we have a down day tomorrow, we could see where the US 30, the Dow, right, moves lower. We do have support down here. All right, so we're just looking for a decent trade to continue to go short on the 60-minute time frame. All right, on the US 30. All right, the US 30 futures. All right, so a US 30 traders, right, just keep that in mind. It's shorting. All right, great short here. This one had to cover quickly. This one had to cover quickly. But this one here is holding firm. All right, purple support and resistance. Sell short signal here on a break of support. Okay, right here. All right, so a good short going so far. The NAS, wait on the NAS. We do have a sell short signal on the NAS, but on the daily time frame, buyers are still holding. Okay, so if we take a look here on the NAS, we have a sell short signal here. Okay, but look at that. Buyers are coming back in because guess what? Look at the daily. All right, daily looks strong. Buyers are strong on that daily. Okay. All right, if we look at it here, we have a buy signal on that daily right here, guys. Okay, buy signal on that daily. So don't go against the overall trend here. All right, in the NAS. But the US 30 looks good. All right, US 30 looks good. Red candles on the daily here. All right, guys. All right, so we'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for coming. All right, and I think we had an issue with I'm getting into the studio. All right. So with the links, I heard from a few of you. Okay. So we'll make sure tomorrow that's all taken care of. All right, guys. Take care. See you guys tomorrow. Thanks for coming. Have a good evening. All right. Yen long. Yen pairs long, guys. Remember that. Okay. Yen long. All right. Take care. Bye bye.